recipe. Get your chicken open, throw it all in the bag. Get your taco seasoning, baby. We want all of it in there. We want all of it in there. We're gonna put a little bit of Jell-O in there. Just judge me. Don't even judge me. Mix it up. Ooh, look at that greatness, y'all. Let's get it on the hook, y'all. We got the taco chicken recipe hooked up. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a good one. We got a slob on the freaking bake. I know y'all wondering, what did you catch it on? You caught it off that taco chicken, y'all.